Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with a simple, step-by-step guide to logging into your ClickBank affiliate account. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, accessing your account is crucial for managing your affiliate links and tracking your earnings. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the ClickBank website. Open your web browser and go to the official ClickBank website by typing in www.clickbank.com. Make sure you enter the correct URL to avoid any phishing sites. Step 2. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the ClickBank homepage, look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your account credentials. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you need to input your registered email address and password into the respective fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos, as incorrect credentials will prevent you from accessing your account. Step 4. Complete CAPTCHA, if required. Sometimes ClickBank may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. Follow the on-screen instructions to solve the CAPTCHA. This step helps keep your account secure. Step 5. Click Login. After entering your email and password and completing the CAPTCHA if necessary, click the Login button to access your account. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues while trying to log in, such as forgetting your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 7. Explore your account dashboard. Once you successfully log in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the account dashboard. Here, you can manage your affiliate links, track your sales, and monitor your commissions. That's it. You're now logged into your ClickBank affiliate account. Remember to log out when you're done, especially if you're using a public computer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.